Hi geeks, welcome to the 10forums.com. In this video we take a look at networking credentials. First the boring theory, then some practical examples. It is important to understand the difference between username and user profile name. A username is the name used to sign in to Windows. A user profile name is the name of the profile of a user and the user's profile folder. A username and a user profile name do not have to be the same. Using a local account, they are the same by default. Using an MS account, they are different if email name has more than 5 characters. Using a Microsoft account, the username will be the MS account email address, for example 10forums@outlook.com. Because the first part of the MS account email has more than 5 characters, Windows names the profile with a 5-character abbreviation 10fo. User profile name will therefore be 10fo. And the full long username will be PCname / user profile name. In this example, for instance, my gaming PC / 10fo. Okay, now some practical examples. Let's first install Windows 10 using an MS account. We have now set up Windows using an MS account username 10forums@outlook.com. But checking the users folder, we will see that the user profile is named as 10fo. A good example of how Windows uses both username and user profile name is to use Advanced User Accounts Control Panel NetPLVis to make Windows to boot automatically to desktop. We can clearly see that the username is an MS account 10forums@outlook.com, but for automatic sign-in purposes, Windows uses the profile name 10fo. A fast test. Let's make Windows to sign in automatically by entering the user profile name 10fo with the MS account user password, then reboot and see if it works. As you can see, Windows is now signing the MS account user in using the profile name instead of the MS account username. Before accessing your network computers and starting to use them, name them and your network using logical names. In this example, I am simply naming the PC as test PC, accepting the default name for workgroup. But privately, I name my computers using logical names. AGM W10 Lab 01 would be, for instance, my primary Windows 10 laptop. AGM being not only the name of my home network, but also an abbreviation with a strong symbolic meaning to me. Further, AGM W7 Desk 02, that would be my secondary Windows 7 desktop, and so on. In doing this, I had no difficulties to get a correct computer name when I need to access it over my network. Let's move to the local accounts. Somehow they work and function a little bit more logically. The username is the given local account name, for example, test user. The user profile name will be the same, test user, and the full long username will be the PC name / user profile name, for example, my gaming PC / test user. In this example, I will now create a local account for me. Please notice, in following examples I am using remote desktop connection to demonstrate how to use username, user profile name and the full username in signing in to remote resources. The dialogues and behavior are exactly the same in connecting to networked computers. I have now signed in to another PC and will connect to the one we set up earlier in this video. By default, Windows suggests that you use the user credentials you are at the moment using, in this case suggesting and defaulting to user credentials that are not valid, an account that does not exist on the PC I want to connect to. I need to select Use Another Account and enter the credentials for the networked computer, a user which does exist on that PC. Regardless if the user on the remote computer is an MS or a local account, the easiest way is to use the full username. In other words, PC name / user profile name. The connection will be created without an issue. Let's repeat this, connecting to network resource or remote computer using a full username. It couldn't be easier. To demonstrate the difference between the username and the user profile name, let's see what happens if I change my username Kari on this networked computer to something else, in this example to Larry Laffer. After the restart, the system is showing my new username. However, checking the users folder and my user profile, I can see the profile name is still Kari. This is important to remember. Changing your username when using a local account or switching to another MS account will not change your user profile name and your full username. As you can see, in this case the user Larry Laffer's profile is still stored in profile folder Kari. Trying to connect to that computer with username Larry Laffer will fail because although it is a valid username for that computer, it is not a valid user profile name. To connect using the user Larry Laffer's credentials, I need to use his full username, PC name / user profile name, the original username, in this case testpc / Kari. Using those credentials, there will be no issues in creating a connection. That's it. I hope you now know the difference between a username, user profile name and a full username. Do not hesitate to post your questions at the10forums.com.